Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Robinhood. Does Robinhood offer fractional shares? The straightforward answer is yes, Robinhood does offer fractional shares. Fractional shares are essentially pieces, or fractions, of a whole share of a company or ETF. Robinhood allows you to invest in a large selection of stocks and ETFs with as little as $1. This means you can buy a portion of a share, rather than having to purchase an entire, potentially expensive, share. For example, if a stock is trading at $1,000 per share, you don't need to have that much money to invest. With fractional shares on Robinhood, you could buy $10 worth of that stock, which would equate to 0.01 of a share. This feature helps make investing more accessible by lowering the barrier to entry. It allows investors to diversify their portfolio more easily and to put all their cash to work, instead of having small amounts of uninvested money waiting to buy a whole share. You can place fractional share orders on Robinhood in dollar amounts, like that $10 example, or by specifying a fraction of a share. The minimum amount you can buy or sell is usually $1 or 1/1,000,000th of a share. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.